Hello, and welcome to this live stream where we're going to create another simple-ish website from this front-end mentor platform. I think that's what it is, right? This is the fifth project we're going to make, and it looks like this. It's a coming soon sort of website. Where we have an email field, a button, a nice image, some social media buttons here, and a title, a logo, and a text. So not very fancy, but it looks very good. Hello everyone in the live chat. Let's see who joined. Say hi if you joined. Early online, Ahmed, Aline. Welcome, Aline. Mihai, welcome and goodbye because you left. Nagaraj, hello, Jazz, Joy, Richard, Obi, Diri. Whoa, I didn't pronounce that name right. Gavin, Fernando, and all of you who joined. In this live stream, as I said, we're going to build out this nice website. Well, nice as the design standpoint. Let me send you the link in case you also want to try. Let's see what we need to do. HTML, CSS, and a bit of JavaScript. I guess that, we need to see if the input is not empty and if the email address is correct. Pretty much what we did previously. Now, I think that's it. Hello, YouTube watcher. Alrighty. Let's see. What's next? Okay, I downloaded the files, which you should do if you haven't. So let me close this. Here is the folder, and I already opened the folder where we have, as usual, the index.html, a style guide with the colors. We have the images. Let's see how they look. Okay, we have the logo. Also, we have the designs, how they should look. Yeah, so we have some hover state and some error state there. All right. Yeah, on the buttons here also, good. And the mobile design, which is neat. All right. Here in the left, I have the live preview of our index.html. So let's remove the footer first. Okay, we have the text already written for us, which is nice. Also, let's remove this style, as I always do. Hello, the freelance developer Brandon. Welcome to the live stream. Alrighty, now let's study our letter page. Okay, something happened. VS Code. VS Code left us. Rest in peace. I need to open it again. All right. But until then, let's see. So we have the logo here, the header, which has this part, which is bold and black. This is some grayish. All right, then a text, a little form here with an input and a button. Then we have this image, which is already prepared for us. Then footer here with these 3 links and the copyright text. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it. An image, a heading 1, a paragraph, a form with an input and button, another image, maybe a list item here. Well, an unordinated list with 3 list items, links, and we'll make these circles. And we're going to take the icons from Font Awesome. And then another small tag here, maybe. That looks fine. Okay, Let's see. I am late. Sam, you're not late. We just started. All right. Let me take a sip from my... Let's see who can guess what I have here. I'm glad to hear that, David. All right. So now this won't work because our VS Code left us. So let's open it again. Coffee, lemonade. Welcome, not welcome. You're right. Abdullah. I think I said it right. I am Batman. Yes, I am. But what are you? Okay. Maybe I should I should update it. Maybe that's why it's crashing a lot. Okay. Let's open this with Live Server, which is a plugin. Not a plugin. It's a plugin. It's an extension. All right. Go here. All right, and make them big. Goody goody. What specs do you have? I don't know. Some specs. These specs, I guess. 8 gigs and stuff. I don't really understand this, so don't tell anyone. Okay, so let's start working. It's basically a one column layout, except here we have a form which has 2 items in it and this UL. Where can you get the starter file? Just go up and you'll see a link. I posted a link. You can get it from there. Awesome. Let's start. Put everything inside the main, because that's how we learn it from FreeCodeCamp. If you followed along on the FreeCodeCamp curriculum, they said that the most important things on the page should be inside the main. Very nice, so we'll do that. Then we have an image. Let's give it a class of logo. I'm not sure if we'll need it. And import, use the image, the logo here, add an alt of logo. All right, next we are launching soon. This should be an H1. All right, subscribe and get notified. This should be paragraph, right? Yeah. Like that, and then we have notify me, but we have this copy. I'm not sure. Oh, copy copyright. Okay, so this is in the footer. Okay, and this is the button which goes inside our form, where we have an input and a button. All right, input type email. We need an ID of email because we're going to target it in JavaScript. And here we can say notify me. All right, and remove this. Good. That looks like, oh, actually we also have these links. So let's put them here. Maybe move the text inside the paragraph. Like that. Okay, and have here new L bigger than Li times 3, bigger than A, bigger than I, FAB, FA Facebook. Now this will create an unordinated list with 3 list items, which will have links, which will have icons. Okay, they don't go anywhere now, but they should look pretty. This is Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Twitter and not LinkedIn, that was Instagram. Alrighty. Let's save this, it will format it, and it will look very nice. I think we can launch this. It's a very professional looking website. We'll make a ton of sales with this nice landing page. And the best part with it is that it will load very fast. So we'll have that Google ranking very high. All right. Let's see. Everything looks nice in the chat. If you have any questions at any moment, just let me know. Next up, oh, I forgot, we also need the image, which is just under the form. So let's add that. Here, image, images, and that. This will be illustration. All right, goody goody. Now our website is not that fast anymore because it needs to download this image. Do you will state Code War today? If you're asking if I'll do Code Wars today, I'm not sure. I have another live stream planned because this live stream, this website that we're building in this live stream will be the first of the 7-day 7 websites challenge which I started. Yeah, I forgot to mention that. I should have mentioned it in the beginning. Oh well. And after this live stream, I want to do another live stream where we're going to build a website which will be able to collect submissions from people. So if someone wants to join this 7-day 7 websites challenge, they can submit their submission, which sounds fun. Submit their submissions. And other people can see their submissions. So yeah. And because of that, I'm not sure if I'll do the Code Wars today. That will be the third live stream, which will be a bit, maybe too much. Okie dokie. Now we have the HTML. Do we need anything else? Let's see. Here for the input, when it's an error, we have here a text. Now we could add this text in the HTML and hide it afterwards, or we can create it in JavaScript. Well, let's do it then, when we'll get there. All right. Let's import Font Awesome, and let's create our CSS file. So link style.css. All right, let's create this style.css and background, on the body, background color pink. Let's see if it's working. All right, it is. Now I want the link for Font Awesome. Let me quickly go to GitHub. This front-end mentor challenges, and in the last project, in the index.html, there's oh no, not in the last project, actually in the root project. Here we should have, I went in the same page. In the root project, here you should have a link to the Font Awesome library, or yeah, I think it's a library framework. An icon library. Sounds right. Okay, and now you can see the icons appearing on the page. Goody goody. Okay, let's style this website. In the style guide we have font awesome for the icons or other two libraries, and font family is Libre Franklin. Let's go to fonts, google.com, and here search for that, Libre Franklin, and we need 300, 600, and 700. 300, 600, and 700. We're getting this link and we paste it in the CSS. Also, let's not forget about box sizing border box. So we have the padding and the border inside the width of the element. Okay, now let's see. Our main should have text align center, which will push everything in the center, and that will be nice. Now let's use this font, Libre Franklin, actually on the body. Font family, Libre Franklin, and sans serif by default. Alright, now on the H1, I think this is 300 and this part is 600 or 700. But I forgot to add this in a span, so we can target it in the CSS to make it bolder. Hello Gulshan, can't we link the font in index as we do for other in head? Yes, I got used to link it here in the CSS. So I can see when I'm using it, I can see, okay, it's up here. Alright, font weight should be 300. Alright, now font size also should be bigger, 40 pixels, maybe more, 50 pixels. Okay, an H1 span should be font weight 700. Alright, nice. And this color is not right, so let's see. Do we have the color here? Gray. I think that's it. Gray, 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 so color, oops, gray. Alright, perfect. And we need a very dark blue. It's very dark. Alright, good. Now this logo should be pushed a bit down. It has a bit of margin here, or maybe we can add a padding to the main. Maybe that will be the best thing. So padding, even a margin on the main. Margin top 40 pixels. Let's see how much we have here. 80. That seems a bit much, so let's make 60. Alright, good. So we have that, we have the heading. Now let's style the paragraph here. Font size 20 pixels. Even bigger. Maybe we should make it an H3 then, and we don't have to play with the font size. Or an H2, let's try H2 and see how it reacts. H2, and we can do font weight 300. Okay, that looks pretty much like it. Okay. Hey Liam, you're late, yes. Oh, just to be strong, why adding CSS? Okay, let's try and see how that works if we are adding a strong tag. Yep, but we still need to target it and add the color. So it's the same. Yeah. Project of the week. I'll take a look. Remind me at the end and I'll take a look. Oh, strong text have a different meaning to screen readers. Yes? Alright. So good. Orange lemonade. For those of you who didn't guess. That's what I'm drinking. Okay. It looks like this should be a bit higher. So maybe we can remove the margin on it. Nope. We have a margin here. So maybe margin bottom 10 pixels. All right, that looks okay. And now let's focus on the form, which this form has an input, which we want to let's see. We have padding 15 and 25. So padding 15, 25 pixels, border radius 50 pixels, border 1 pixel solid, and we need that color pale blue. All right. Okay. Let's add in the HTML also placeholder, which says your email address. Your email address. All right. And what else? So we have the padding, the border radius. It should be, let's see, 425. Should we add a fixed width on it? Width 425, max width 100% on mobile. All right, close. But we also need to change the font to this. And let's think, the font size. Font size 16 pixels. All right. Looking better. The color seems a bit off. Isn't that the color? Interesting. How did you get the padding? Okay. Thank you, Liam. What program in the wireframe in? Not sure what you mean. So how do I get the padding? Well, I get on top of the text and on the left, which should tell us roughly what's the padding. Now, I don't like the color here. Do we have another color? Light red, a blue. This blue is for the button. Let's style the button and see what happens. Button, background color, this blue. We also need for this, and border none. All right, and the color should be white. Okay, sort of. Okay, the font is bold and the padding is much bigger on the left and the right. Let's see how much. 60. So 60 on the left and the right, and the font weight should be 600. All right, goody. Still seems that it should be should have higher padding on top and bottom to look as the design, although in the design you saw it says 15 pixels. All right, Close enough. Let's add a bit of margin here and should be fine. Margin left 20 pixels. All right. And the form should have a margin top 30 pixels. Nah, more. 50. Usually you shouldn't just play around with numbers like this. You should have some style guide with fixed, well, a set of margins and paddings, not all random numbers. Why not give the main a max width? Because all the content is on one place. I think it's 650 pixels. Yeah, I could do that. And have the image inside the main. Well, actually, let's give this image as class illustration like that, and give it a max width of 400 pixels. Nah, too much. Too little. Let's see. 650, as you said, should be it. Or even better, as you suggested, maybe let's make this max width 650 pixels and margin 60 pixels auto 0, or leave it 60 auto like that, and it will center it. And then the illustration should have a max width of 100%. And let's add some margins on it. 40 pixels, 0, more, 60. Yeah, so that looks about right. We have the nice image, the input, okay, the text here looks like that it has the gray color, so let's use that. This on the H2. Oh, not that dark. Maybe it has this color, the blue color. All right. Nah, still, it's not pixel perfect, but oh well. I'd say it's fine. Let's style this part and we'll be done. Maybe give this UL a class of social list. All right, and social list will be display flex, padding 0, list style type none, list style type none, like that. Now it should be align item center, justify content center, and then the social links li. Let's see, to do the li's should have a bit of margin, 10 pixels. All right, and the social list lia should have border 1 pixel solid. We need this blue, I think, from, nope, it's a green. Green. Where is the green? Here. So it has a green border, and then the color is that blue, like that. Okay. Let's increase the font. Oh, this icon is not the right one. Let's increase the font first. So font size 20 pixels. All right. Border radius 50%. Let's make it a fixed width and a height. Maybe, well, let's see actually what we have here. 30 pixels. 30 pixels, 30 pixels. Display inline block. All right. well, actually display in, let's make it display line flex, so we can do center everything inside. Okay, text decoration none. Oops. So we remove the underline, and maybe the font size should be smaller. Yeah, and the color is still not good for the border. It is a lighter gray, so let's pick a lighter gray. All right, and I will do it bigger just because I want to see the icons nicely there. And now we can add a font size of 18 pixels. All right, and this icon is Facebook. Oh no, Facebook B. I don't know. It was a letter, but I forgot. So let's go to Font Awesome, icons, add F. Oh, dash F. Thank you. All right, thank you. I should look at the chat. Let's see. Your email address section looks a lot lighter. And this part. Hey, Ramses. Are the challenges responsive? Yes, they are. Yeah, so we're pretty much done. Let's do a bit of fixing here. This text should be lighter. So the paragraph inside the footer paragraph should be color. Let's use this grayish we found, although maybe, yeah, too much. Then let's use the grayish from the heading. Okay, good. Yeah, and the border. Yeah, it doesn't look right yet. We need to see why. Okay, Ramses, sounds fun. Right, so that looks pretty good. Oh, this section doesn't look perfect. Also, the button doesn't have this nice shadow, and the input is not perfect yet. Okay, let's see. So this blue is a bit of, I think, grayish blue something. So let's use that. More grayish, sort of. And then also this color should be used on the input placeholder. Color that. All right, maybe that's too much. Go back a bit. All right, and use this here. Okay, it's not the best match, but oh well, looks pretty close. And the button should have a box shadow. Border color. Let's use this I get from Ahmed. Thank you, buddy. Okay. All right. Yep. Looks good. And let's use well, let's set the box shadow. I guess 0 pixels, 5 pixels, 5 pixels, RGBA. Well, let's use this color. All right, look at that. It looks good. Good enough for us. Now, we also need a hover state on these. I just came to my mind. So when we hover on these, what we want, we have a design. Wait, where was it? Design, hover. So you can see here that it turns blue. All right, so background color will be the color, and the color will be will be white. So this will be background color, whoops, and the color will be white. and the border color should be also with the background color, border color. All right. Yeah, look at that. Nice. Okay. And when we click on the button, I think that also has, yeah, an opacity. All right. So let's add that on the bottom button hover. Opacity 0.8. Yep, nice. And let's add cursor pointer. All right, good, good, good. Now the last thing will be to add the errors. Well done, Ivan. I'm happy for you. Okay, so what I said, the error, right? Yep. Script.js, let's add it to the HTML. I should add it here. Let's script source, script.js, and defer. I haven't done this before in a project. I've seen it, but I usually add my scripts on the body here at the bottom. Okay, let's see. We want also we need the form, because we want to add an onSubmit handler on the form and check if the email, then it is valid. So these two. All right. Document get element by ID. These two. Oops. All right. And now form add event listener, submit. And here we want e.prevent default, so we don't want to submit, and check for email validation. Well, actually I learned the trick yesterday, so we don't need that there. We could just take the const email will be form of email value. So email value. If email value, if not email value, then we want to say it's empty. Else if not valid email value, oops, say it's invalid, and else submit it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, funny guys. Funny people. Okay, so first, let's get that valid email function I've been using. Valid email regex. People kept asking me to explain what it does. Is valid email. All right, now that works, good. And here, I guess, under this button, we could have a small tag with a class of error. Whoops, not like this, error. And it should, what it should say. I'm thinking. We need to target it here. I want to see how it looks first. Oops. So this is an error. Okay, it goes there in the center, which is not good. Think. Okay. So on the form, we want the text align left. Text align left. Okay, good. Now we have the input, the button, and underneath we have form small. This should have a color of red. Let's look actually here. Oh, we have the red color in the style guide. So this color, and it also looks like it's italic. So font style, not size, style, italic. All right, and it has a margin left of, what's the padding? 20. All right. Actually, let's add the margin top also. So 20 overall. Yeah, it won't work because it's not display line block. No, too much. Oh boy, 10 pixels, 20. All right, that's good. But also the input should have that border red when it's error. These designs look like material design now. I guess. I'm not sure. It needs to be under the input for the responsive mode. Okay, let's check that to see what it is. Oh, all right. Okay. Let's think how we're going to do this. I have an idea, which will be tricky-ish. We're going to use a flex box and change the order of the button and the text here. All right, so this will be actually this form submission validation is the trickiest part of the project because we need to make it right. Thank you, Ahmed. Let me take a 10 seconds break. I don't have to do it. Yeah, it could be an after content, but it still needs then to have space. And how do I put the text here from the JavaScript in the after? You know? So if it's an after, I can't really select it in JavaScript. Because this, I want to say it's empty if it's an empty, and it's not valid if it's not valid. You can, Data attributes. Yeah, that's tricky. It's tricky for me. Add data error, Bob. Yeah, and then I could use that on the after content. Okay. Okay, let's do what you said. Let's do what you said. So the small disappears. And here the small disappears. Well, actually it will become the inputs after. Input after will have this. All right. And the content will be an empty string. Yeah, who knows how I'll support this. And if we add here something, well, doesn't appear, so let's make this position relative. So it's a trickier solution, but well, absolute. Top 60 pixels, left 20 pixels. Content after, It doesn't appear. Display, color, content. What I'm missing? Set index 100. So something's wrong. Why it's not appearing after? Let's use before. Interesting. Where are you? Will it work on the form? Yeah. Whoa. But then this is a hacky solution. What if the input and the red text is one child and the button is second child? With flex between it may work. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Yep. That's another great solution. See how many solutions are there? So what you're saying is this div should be the parent of the input and the small tag. And this should be the error. And this should then be... Let's do this actually. I changed it so much. Form small, no content, make it no position. All right, put it there. But then this form should be display flex, align item center, justify content center. No, not this. Now the button is being weird. Hey Max, the button wants to take up the full height here, which is not good. Margin 10 pixels, 20 pixels. Yeah. So how do I say the button? Be chill, don't span. It shouldn't grow. So flex grow 0. No. What was the property? I could set a fixed height, but that seems hacky. Height 80 pixels. No. 60. And yeah, look at the text is also on 2 lines. Why you do this? Famous quote from my friend. Remove the button's horizontal padding and add flex 0.3. Oh, I see what you want to do there. But still. Hey! No. Nope, nope, nope. So this will work fine without the small tag. Right? And what if the small tag is position relative? Will still be inside. Let's see. Position relative. Yeah. With position absolute won't be. But then it goes there. Oh, I removed vertical padding. Awesome way of thinking. Yeah. With positioning, we could do this hack thing. And then add on the form, but then it's just like not having in the div. What was I doing? Position relative. So yeah, there you go. But don't like it that much. It's the same as Let's try doing it without positioning. So that's there, and the input, well, actually not the input, this div with a class of form left. This should have a flex of 0.7. So form left flex, well, like that. But then again, the button increases in height because it takes up the whole height there. Oh, I think I know. It should be, where is it? Flex, align items, flex, start. Yep, that was it. So we don't need this. We don't need this. Well, actually we need this. And we need that too. Okay, this looks fine. The small, let's add some margin, 10 pixels, 20 pixels. All right. Okay, and now when we zoom in or scroll in on whatever this is, media screen and max width 600 pixels, 650 pixels. We want the form left to have flex 1 and the button to have flex 1, and the form should have a flex direction column. All right, flex 1. Why don't you go full width? That doesn't look right. So what am I missing? The input has a fixed width. No. It should be flex, well, width 100%. All right. Flex 0.7, form left. Flex 1. This text just makes it annoying. Oh, this should be 0.3. Yep, all right, good. And now when we do that, this goes outside of a bit. Oh, we have the margin left, so let's remove that. Margin left 0. Okay, on the main, actually we can add it here on the main. Where are you? Let's add some padding. All right. And the input, why don't you want to go full width? Flex 1, okay. Flex 1, width 100%. All right. Not sure why flex 1 didn't work there. Okay, and I need more margin on this small tag on mobile, and it should be centered. A lot of stuff. So let's make it 20 overall. All right, but this doesn't look right on desktop. Margin 30 pixels, 20 pixels on mobile. So like that, it has space and it should be text align center. All right, finally. Let's see. Okay, so it doesn't have that much border top than border bottom. So We can remove this from here and add it here. Okay. Now that's done. We need this. Actually, we need this. Yeah, that's the programmer's life, guys. For media query, do you need to have flex? I think with 100 is already doing what is expected. Yeah, for some reason I was thinking the flex one will do what I wanted, but apparently not. Now this small tag should be display. Where is it? Small display inline block, display none by default. All right, then we need the margin on the input, margin bottom 10 pixels, and then we can remove this. And if we have an error in display inline block, then it will appear there and here. Now we need to add that error, and also the input could have a class of error, and its border color will be this color. And we're going to add all this in the JavaScript. So this will be none. And now in the JavaScript, if we have an error, then, oh boy, a couple of things. We need to target the span element, the small tag, and the input, which is this. So we have the email, and we want the email value, which, value, email value. All right. Now, if we have an error, email class list add error. Same here. And if we don't have, then remove this error class in case we have it before. All right. And we also want this small tag, and that can be targeted where? So from the form. For email, I guess, con small could be form, query selector, small. And here, the small inner text will be email field cannot be blank, and small style display will be inline block. The same here, but this will say email is invalid, and here display none, and inner text empty. All right. Yeah, so when we click this, an error appears, the input turns red. On the mobile, we have it like this. We could also, let's see. Yeah, I want this text to be also red when it's error. So when it's error, the placeholder should also be color red. All right. So yeah, and if we add here an email, this won't let us from the HTML5, but if it's valid, it's fine. All right. Again, another hour to build. Pretty simple project, but you can see how a bit of validation in order to make it the best as possible. Well, it's not perfect probably, but still, it's decent. Now, what we could do when it's submitted, we could say thank you or something in the middle of the screen. But I'll leave that exercise for you. Hello, Node. Welcome to this live stream. Awesome. Let's close this. Let's close this. And I'm going to add now the project to our projects folder. So front-end mentor challenges, let me close this, open this, well, put this here, clean it up by name, and I want to push it so we can see front-end mentor desktop work. Yeah, this one. Well, not this one. The email validation is gist or you code it all. I'm not sure what you mean. So this repo, let's see this index HTML, which should now have our 5th project. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't have it because we need to go here and add it manually. So it says, let's see, rename, copy, and paste it here. Awesome. Now look at that. We have the project here. Apparently I need to fix this footer, so let's do that also. Okay, don't show again. First git add, git commit, added project 5, git push, and on the style here on the body, margin bottom 30 pixels, so then we can scroll, maybe even more, 50 pixels. All right, so even if this covers the images, we can still scroll out of it. Awesome. So there you have it, the 5th project, which is now, well, git commit, updated style, git push. Now it should be officially live. If we go to GitHub front-end mentor challenges, and we have this link. Let me paste it in the chat. And we have all the 5 projects. Click here and you can see this project. Let's go to front-end mentor. We can submit here. Login, okay, why not? Profile. This one, title, single column, coming soon page, repository, sure, live link, and repository is this. Okay, submit, and we're getting some points. Great work. Awesome, awesome. And look at that, it looks close to the original. Not a lot of differences, but still, we have some accessibility issues. Doesn't have a name, okay, the anchor doesn't have a valid. Okay. So let's fix those. Indexed HTML. So for the email, we need name of email. And then these should be links. https facebook.com/florinpop17. This is Twitter, florinpop1705, and this is Instagram. All right. So that should be fixed now. Git commit fixed issues. Goody. Have you improved your solution? Yes. Let's wait for it to update and generate new report. Maybe should wait more. No link content has been supplied. Oh, I see. Does not have a name at the value to an accessibility API. Label, title area. What? Okay, it's fine. Let's see. Well, actually, here, where is it? Solutions. All right, you can see my solution now. Go and vote it if you want. You can submit your own. And there is also Wall of Fame. Whoa, someone got a lot of points. All right. I guess that's it for this challenge, but what I want to do is to update our homepage. Where is it? Homepage, this homepage. Area label. Oh yeah, that looks right. So we should have added an area label. Orange lemonade. Anyone want some? So what I want to do now is I received these nice designs from my buddy here, Ahmed, and I want to style this website to have that design. Let's see. This is one. My throat. This is one design, this is another. So this page should look like this. Whoa. Not good images. Let's see, how can I save image preview? All right, and save image preview. Goody goody. So this is the main page, and this is the tiles, which look pretty nice. Thank you for sending me this. So I will create this so it looks better than what we have now. Feel free to stick around or not. I want to make this look better. I'm not sure if we need this part, although I like the design of it. I also got some resources. Let me see. Download and dots. Download. All right. I don't need this. I don't need this. Not this. Let's see. We're going to style this page. So let's open it with live server. All right, and it will be okay. So I will focus on this first. So we have the images, and they should go inside the box. We should have the name, which we already have, and the link and the YouTube link. Thank you for for watching. Okay. Also the icons. The icons I think are for font awesome. So let's see. We're creating the cards here. So we have a box which will be the list item, and the link won't be the wrapper now, because it will be here, a little button. And also the YouTube link. But now, for the YouTube link, we will need to change this from strings to objects. Okay, and I need the links to all of the challenges so far. So let me go to the playlist here on the right. To playlist. Front-end mentor challenges. That looks all right. Well, actually, a playlist here. All right. And as I need the links to all of the challenges. Oh, let me do it here so you can see what I'm doing. So I have all these links. Copy link address. This is the first one. Name will be this, a string, and YouTube URL will be another string. A watch list. Should I leave it in the list? Well, I guess, yeah. All right, so something like that. This shortly becomes a small-ish API. So name, this, and then YouTube URL. Well, let's leave it YouTube. Okay, and I need this link. Awesome, T0 seconds. Good. Next, name this, and YouTube will be this. Oops. Copy link. Okay. 0 seconds. Name. YouTube. Copy link address. All right, and the last one, name and YouTube. I don't have it in the playlist yet, so let me quickly add it. Videos here on the right. Live, edit it. Not sure if I can edit it. Oh, I guess I can. Save. What is this? A column coming soon page. Save. All right, and now it should appear here. Yeah, perfect. Copy. Let me go back to the live. I closed the chat. Okay, I think for awesome to make it a markdown using Gatsby. Yeah, that's right. Would be better with that in the future, but for now it should work. Oh boy, I closed it, but I didn't got the right link, so copy link address. Okay, put it there, and good. Now we have all the data we want. We need to format it to look like this. So let me put this actually here and put this here so we can see what we're doing. Good, now this page shouldn't work anymore because we don't have a project. We have the project and the YouTube link. So let's see, actually we could do here the structuring name and YouTube, and here this will be name This will be name. All right, so now that should fix it back, but the format is not good. The list item should be there. The link should be that, but also we need another link. So this link will be link project. All right, which has the href and the tag. Well, the text won't go here, it'll go inside list item. Okay, so we have the list item, which is this box, and inside that we have the image, the project name, and these links. So actually create li and let's make list item inner HTML to be. We'll have an image, we'll have a paragraph for the title, and we'll have let's see, a link and another link. Now this first link ref and these will have icons, class, I think FAS, FAI, something like that. Close the I tag, and this one should have an icon, but this will be FAB, FA YouTube. All right, and this will have another ref. Now this ref will go to name dot project name. No, so wait. Yeah, name and this. So this will go there, and this will go to YouTube. Now we don't need this. We don't need this. The image source will be this. All right, and the image name will be this. Oops. All right, so we created our own box-ish thing now. Box thing. Okay, let's put this in a div of class links or something. Oops, here. And let's format it a bit. So like that. All right, good. Let's see what we have. This not good. List item, no append, just the list goes the list item. Awesome. So we have something. We have something JPG here. Okay, good. We need to style it. You could use element insert. Yeah, I know, but I like this because it looks like JSX sort of, and I can now style it nicely. Style CSS. So we have, let's see. This looks okay. UL, margin width, okay. LI, colors, okay. So we don't have the image inside anymore. We have it directly here. Good, that's fixed now. Image a hover. Not anymore, and the footer should remain the same for now. UL flex start center. Let's remove this. Not really. Leave it center. All right, good. Now let's convert this to this design. So for that, the LI will be background color white. and it should have a box shadow of what? 0, 5 pixels, 5 pixels, RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0.3. Nope. More spread. Well, this is the radius. So this should be 0, 10 pixels. No, wrong. All right, 0.1. Good. Now we need a bit of padding here. So for that, to think. A couple of things we need to do. So the li has also a paragraph, so that could have a bit of a padding like that. Now we also have the links, but the links are inside. Well, keep adding all these. I call them links container or something. All right, links container, and then link container here. This should also have a padding of 15 pixels. All right, now the color, let's see. So have these boxes sort of. Background color. I need the color, the colors. This is red for YouTube. So let's add a class YouTube, and this class of blue or something. I don't know. So now social links A blue. Can you give me the blue color if you have it? And social links A YouTube should be color, well, background color red. Background. Okay, and the blue, let's just put background color blue for now. So this won't work. Now this will be white, and we will have width. There's more boxes, yeah. 30 pixels and height 30 pixels. Let's make it display flex, align it and center by content center to have the icons inside. I will make it 40 pixels, and I'm getting the colors. Thank you. So I have this color for blue and this one for red. Alrighty. Now inline flex, and they should be 30 pixels. Okay, look at that. And let's add margin to the right. Margin right, 10 pixels. Nah, too much. Good. Awesome. Now let's see what else. The text maybe shouldn't have some We have some margin here. That's padding now. So 0 padding there. All right, and this should have margin top 30 pixels. Okay, and let's make this font weight bold or something. Do we have bold? No. Not sure. 300 and... Yep. Nah, too much. 500. Not sure how you added the font. I forgot. So let me check. Here, style. So colon and like that. Okay. 300 and 500. Alright-ish, I guess. Okay, so they look decent. Now the nice part is that we also have the YouTube link, which is awesome. What they want when we hover, I want transform scale 1.2. Yeah, and add transition. Like that. All right. Now, maybe we should have the link. When we click the tile, not sure. Let's see the chat. You're late. Okay. Good. Good-ish. Good-ish. It's not yet perfect. Should I add the link here when you click the tile? But then that will change a bit stuff because we have the link here. Let's make them bigger and should be fine. 35. Okay, and I guess that's fine. Good. Project. Let's add now here, whoops, the index HTML. Before this, have an h2 saying projects, like that. Everything should go inside a container. So we'll center that. Container max weight 800 pixels, I guess. And margin auto. All right. 400, let's make this 350. Okay, and now the images should be width 100% and height to, well, let's make it 350 with 200-ish. All right. Now this pushes it down a bit. Into component with signup form. All right. I'll do something just to get rid of this. I will change the name. Into component will be sign up form. Master. But now we need to change this also. Oops. All right. So now we don't have it that long. The box shadow. Okay, thank you. Let's use that box shadow then. All right, nice. Now on the H2, I want to make it position relative, and I want H2 after to be width 100 pixels, height 4 pixels, content like that, and background color black. Okay. Position absolute, bottom 0, left 0. All right, now let's see. It has a bit of border radius. $10 pixels. Yep. And it's maybe 70 pixels. And bottom minus 5 pixels. All right. Close enough. Now, this is that section. The background color. What's the background color? Do you have a color for the background? Looks whiter here. Maybe this FE, FE, FE. Now the nice part here, we can remove this. Oh, they still have some margin. So margin, let me try something. 0, 20, 20 pixels, 0. All right. Now on bigger screens, oh, well, actually I want 3 to go on the bigger screen. So let's see. List item 350 with the margin 40. So it's 390 times 3, that's 170. All right. And if we scroll, whoops, this is the max width. Oh, okay, I want some padding. But still, this should be centered. Padding 20 pixels. Okay, they should be centered here. Line items just click on the center. All right, I guess. Yeah, they are fixed here. That's because okay, I know. Space between. Yeah. And now we can, let's see, no margins, margin top and bottom only. All right. Yeah, it's not that good though. Center, and back the margin. Where was it? Here. Oops. Hmm. 40. Something is missing with the width now. Oh boy. What did I do wrong? So center, margin, 20 pixels. Plus 350, it's 390. Oh, Oh. No, that's weird. Why don't you go on 3 lines now? One 160. Oh, I see. No. All right, yeah. So we had the padding and didn't have the room. Okay, I guess it looks better now. try to set the width. Yeah, I guess it's fine. Maybe the same as max width. Okay, but this will be pushed as much as it can be pushed. Yeah, it's fine. Now let's see the other image. Can we do something with this? See projects. Only if this goes on top somehow. I like the design though, but I'm not sure. That's funny. I guess I could make this, but then the home will be this. I'm not sure. What I want when people come here is to see the projects directly. So I'll keep this. Well, I have it on Discord actually, so I can delete this. And in case that I need it, I will. But for now, I'll leave it like this. Okay, people can come. Now, they can't click the card, which is annoying, maybe. But if they click here, they go to the projects. Yeah. Okay, that should be fine. Let's do width and max width. 100%. All right. Okay. Let's push this. Restyled index.html. Well, git push. And this yeah, this looks better now. Although it's not perfect, but well, it's better. I don't like the fact that you can't click this. If I make this style entirely an A tag, what will it be? Let's see. So if I put around this an A tag with the same ref here, yeah, this will come link, and then we have some weird spacing. Take care, Liam. Joy. Play with width and max width and see what happens, and you'll understand. Alright, now let's see. The li has an A tag. So li A tag will be color black, and text decoration none. All right. Now why we have that space here? Let's see what happens if we try to click this. We'll go to YouTube. Yeah, it will. That's good. Now let me see why we have that margin there. Somewhere we didn't close the tag href. So div links. Okay, something is wrong. Paragraph is closed, image source, alt name, whoops, like that. Paragraph is closed, div it's closed, a it's closed, I it's closed. Yeah. So something's off. Oh, A here, P tag. Close the A. And then the div. Nope. Class. Okay, so it looks fine here. Something is missing and it breaks the HTML structure. Ref, the link. Let's see. So we have the li, which has an a and also div. No, this should be inside. Why it's not inside? Don't you like it because it's a div? Let's make it a span. All right. Style. Okay, so something's definitely wrong. But what? Yeah, let's try that. Just around the image. And the text. Yeah, alright, good idea, thank you. So now if we click on the image, it works. Well, it goes to the YouTube video, and I want to go to this. Alright, should go to the project, good. Also the image, alright, and the name, and this also, good. And this should go to the video. Alright, good. Let's push this, and we're done. Thank you for helping. Fixed bug. Very clear. Very clear, quote clear. Alright, so this is what we built today. If we go to GitHub, we have also the link with the playlist, nice. And the live site, which now looks like this. Oh, sign up for my master. Oh, okay. Changed project name. I forgot to add the files. Ahmed, I want to create a website for this 7 day 7 projects website. Would you like to create a sort of design for this? Also, give me a Twitter handle or something. I want to add it in this page. Created by code, okay. And I want to say design by, and I want to add your name here and give me something, a link to your website or Twitter or something. Git commit am is, it does git commit dot also. Git add, sorry, it does git add, but it only works if the files were added once. Ahmed sent me the link on Discord. Maybe it won't work here. Yeah, M4 message. I wrote Twitter with 2 eyes. All right. Let me wait for Ahmed to give me a... Well, let's see. Can we find him on Twitter? I want to give him credit. Riyadh. Hope I haven't missed too much. You missed a bit. We're pretty close to be done. Okay. So we get the link. Let's put it here. Also for these, let's add target blank. So they will open in a new tab. Git commit added link. Oh. Oh, commit with 3 M's now. All right. Goody, 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 goody. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. This page should update. We should see the link for Ahmed. Yeah, designed by Ahmed. If we click, we go to his Twitter. Let's give him a follow. And that's it. Thank you all for joining. I will make a live stream in about, I don't know, 10, 20, 30 minutes. Where I want to create a website, although I don't have the design yet. Maybe Ahmed can help me. For the 7 days, 7 websites challenge, where people could submit their projects. But we'll talk more in that challenge. That live stream. Thank you all for joining. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next live stream. Take care, everybody. Bye.